Greetings, this is Susan Hernandez. In PSYC 700, Foundations of Doctoral Study in Psychology, with Dr. Piferi, on May 18, 2021. The title of my PowerPoint presentation is Psychology and Christianity in Developmental Psychology. Introduction. I question whether one or particulars out of each of the 5 views is sufficient to advance knowledge in my research area. Division 7, Developmental Psychology, endorses groundwork within the field of psychology in addition to distinction in the practice of scientific expertise to pedagogic childcare, policy, and interconnected settings. Viewpoint. I maintain that the transformational psychology view centralizes the desire to comprehend humanity in a Christ-like demeanor, supersedes how evangelicals subsist as a true believer in the field of psychology and counseling. Moreover, Johnson 2010 confirms the preeminent concentration of integration is not contingent on intellectual matters, nor on personal, ethical, observational, or ethereal occurrences. David Benner, 1988, was the original Christian psychotherapist to support studying historical events of evangelic spirituality. Benner extends a version of soul care which identifies divine regard pivotal to the therapist's agenda, and he has persisted in elaborating this direction. Research area. Division 7 contributes an executive domain for developmental counselors, primary professional psychologists, along with long-serving personnel, cultivate the cognizance of human development in administered and public policy milieus via verified research as well as educational and adept furtherance of a scholar. Viewpoint as a beneficial approach in knowledge and truth in developmental psychology. For this reason, I believe the transformational psychology view would be a beneficial way to approach knowledge and truth in my topical area, because there are times developmental psychology studies, for instance, do not reveal a concrete conclusion due to the fact further research is needed. Therefore, a consciousness relates to research that an outcome cannot be proven. However, it could be further investigated. Does developmental psychology encompass nature or nurture? In fact, both. Epigenetics proves trauma is passed down from one generation to the next, yet experiences and support may very well ameliorate the situation. Child and Family Blog 2020 reveals the study of epigenetic demonstrate that our understandings of situations impact our genes and that such alterations are predestined. For example, trauma suffered by parents generate anxiety for children. Within the following slide, you may appreciate a picture slide containing suppositions are challenged by questions. It is important to distinguish the difference between truth and credulity. Augustine stated, "To have faith, one must believe, but not be credulous. Faith is the crucial component of knowledge." Summary conclusion. In conclusion, the idea to merge psychology and theology as explicated in the transformational psychology view is brilliant, since investigation within studies in developmental psychology research is expanded, as expressed by Socrates in Sproul 2000, once the rose fades, beauty is the inheritance which continues to exist. References. The final slide includes the list of references I used. I hope you enjoyed my presentation on my area of interest, developmental psychology, and that you found it enlightening. Thank you.